Hi! I'm Canik. My new mom and dad told me I have a job now. I'm the new greeter for our craft booth. Dad says Ruger was Employee of the Month for 11 years straight. So I've got some big paws to fill. That's why I'm starting early and making this video. Dad says it's a shameless grab for subscribers, but I don't care. When you're cute, you gotta use it. So click that subscribe button if you want to see what mom and dad are making, and be sure to stop by our craft shows to meet me. Oh yeah, our next show is the Autumn Stroll in Pine Grove, Pennsylvania on October 18th. Just look for the stand with all the wooden flags. I'll be there waiting to say hi.
All just custom crafts where art meets precision.